continue going over the partial quotient strategy. We're going to do 139 divided by 3. We've got our friendly numbers written up here. These are the numbers we've been using to help us when we're dividing. 1,000, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. Remember, you can use other numbers than these if you know your math facts really well. But if not, these can help us. So this says I have 139, we'll say pieces of chocolate because that's what we've been calling them. And we're going to divide them between 3 friends. So how many zeros, Caleb, how many circles am I going to draw, Caleb?
3.
3. To show the 3 friends that I'm going to be dividing my chocolate pieces between. If I have 139, I know that I can get one big chocolate square. We've been calling these chocolate squares. That shows 100 individual pieces. How many chocolate bars am I going to need, Kiara? 3.
30.
Good, to represent the 30. So I've got one whole chocolate square, 3 chocolate bars, and how many individual pieces, Delilah?
9.
9. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6.
You actually got 7. No, yes. Oh, yeah.
7, 8, 9. Okay, 130 and 9. Now, if I want to start dividing this out using my big chocolate square, I only have one of these. So, what can I do with my big chocolate square so that I can divide it between my 3 friends? Shamar?
Split it.
Into what? Chocolate bars or chocolate pieces? I'm going to trade this in. Do you guys know how many? 10. So let me trade that out for 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those 10 individual bars are the same thing as one big square, plus the 3 I had, plus the 9 individual pieces. So now I have 13 bars that I can divide between my 3 friends. Who knows maybe an efficient way to divide those? Yes, I could do 1, 1, and 1, but that's going to take a while. What are you thinking, Elias?
2.
Okay, let's try 2. 2 to that friend, 2 to that friend, 2 to that friend. That leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 7. So, Emma, what are you thinking?
I think you can put 2 more.
2 more again. Let's divide each person and give them 2 more again. Okay, I've gone through almost all my chocolate bars, but I have 1 left. This is 10 and I have 3 friends. But what is a way to fix this, Charlie, so that I can divide it?
You can get 10 cubes.
10 individual pieces, yes. So let me do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so now I have 10 individual pieces plus the 9 pieces started with. So that's 19. What do you think would be an easy or efficient way to divide these out? Let's see. Caleb Hernandez.
5.
You want to do 5 at a time? Let's see if that works. 5 for that friend, 5 for that friend, and 5 for that friend. Now I'm left with 4 individual pieces. What can I do now, Jaden?
Take those 3 little ones and give them 3.
Give each person 3 or give each person 1?
Give 1.
1, 1, and 1. So I'm left with one little guy. He becomes my
Remainder.
I'm not going to cut him up more because we're not doing fractions right now. And then how many does each person get? 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
46.
46 remainder 1. So let's show that. Let's draw that together. Our answer, 46 remainder 1. We gave out 4 tens. Then we gave out 5 ones. And then Jaden told us we could go again one more time. And we have one little guy hanging out over here who is left over. So 46 remainder 1. Now, this right here takes a lot of time. Eventually, I want you to be able to just do it with numbers. I don't want you to have to draw things out because this is probably not the quickest way to do it. But this does help you see how we can solve it visually. Okay? So now let's just look at the numbers, the equation, and I'm going to show you how that matches what we just did with our cubes. So we're still going to have the same numbers, 139 divided by 3. We're going to use our friendly numbers and what we did here to help us solve this. I have 139 pieces of chocolate. What did we give out first? How many do we give out to each friend first, Kaden? 4 tens, which is 40. What is 3 times 40? Well, 3 times 4 is what, Elijah? 12, and add a 0.
120.
Good, 120. I had 139 pieces. I gave out 40, 40, and 40 makes 120. How many pieces are left after I give those out? 9 minus 0 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. I have 19 left. How many did you guys say we should give out next? What do we say, Rebecca? 5. That's a friendly number. You could do 6. You could see that 6 times 3 is 18, but let's try what Rebecca said. 3 times 5 is
15.
I had 19. I gave out 15. I gave out 5, 5, and 5. How many are left?
4.
Do I have enough? When we had 4 little pieces left.
Yes, we do.
We had enough to do it again? 3 times 1.
Equals 3.
And how many's left over?
1.
Now, did I have enough to go again?
No.
No. 1 becomes my remainder. Look what I gave each friend. I gave them 40, then I gave them 5 ones, and then I gave them another 1 to make
46.
same answer. This is just breaking it down into smaller little division equations that we can do using nice friendly numbers. This was showing it with our base 10 blocks. Okay? You can hit stop.